finally arrived. Boom, it's me.
Hello there. That's me. It's the same thing.
I think I took narcissism to a whole new level. This company called 3D Gemini was like, hey,
Let's make a mini Nas of you for free. It's on us. And I was like, sweet. So this got me thinking,
why don't I make today's video all about me as a human creature? And so I took a basic DNA test to know exactly where I come from. And I kid you not, here is the breakdown. I am 59% Middle Eastern, 17% Caucasian, 21% Greek Italian, 1% European Jewish, 1% Indian, and 1% Nigerian. I am Palestinian, Israeli, Georgian, Greek, Italian, Nigerian, Indian, Muslim, Jew with a camera.
that's 1 minute. I'll see you tomorrow from Costa Rica.